Today, I'm gonna show you how to make money from your social media account by participating in the Amazon influencer program. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well today. And if this is your first time, thank you for joining. Today, we're gonna talk about the steps on how to set up your Amazon influencer account, so that way you can make money by referring products to your followers or your audience. So you're gonna go to your browser. I'm using Google Chrome, but you can use wherever, and look up Amazon influencer program. And it's not this first one, it's gonna be this second one. You see the one that says affiliate program, and your screen should look like this. If it doesn't look like this, you're on the wrong site. I'm also gonna leave a link in the video description that is gonna take you straight to this, and you just click on sign up. It's gonna ask you to use an existing customer account or create a new one. So in this case, because I already have one, we're gonna say sign in. Okay, so you're just gonna sign into your Amazon. Sign in. So before you start this, if you're using a computer, a PC, make sure that whatever social media account that you're trying to link to your Amazon is what is logged into your computer. If you're logged into the wrong one and try to use a different one, it's not gonna work. It's only gonna check your eligibility based off of whatever is logged on on your computer. So make sure you're logged into the actual account that you want this to be associated with. So when I first set this up, I was just uploading whatever picture I wanted, right? But for some reason I kept getting an error message, and when I contacted support, they told me the reason was because the image I was uploading was greater than 1 megabyte. So when you're doing this, make sure that whatever image you're uploading is less than 1 megabyte. If it is more than 1 megabyte, you can just resize it or crop it a little bit. That way it's gonna resize. But anyways, you're gonna upload your picture, type in whatever name you want to show, and then just type in a little bio telling your audience, I guess, who you are and what to expect. So I'm not gonna go through all that, because with this one is gonna link my Scrub business page to this, and I don't want to do that. So switch accounts, and I'm gonna add. Whenever you get done uploading your image, the next page is just gonna ask you how you heard about the program. It's gonna ask you if it's through social media, through word of mouth, like from another influencer. And once you get past that, this would be your next page. It's gonna say your influencer page is ready. And once it says that, you just scroll down. These are just some information, some additional information if you want to know how to do any of this. But if not, just go straight to your storefront, and it should look like this. Once this is set and you want to link your Amazon store to your Instagram page or any other place you want to link it, you see right here, just copy your link right here, and then that way you'll be able to attach it to your Instagram page or whatnot. But this is how you create content so when people come to your page, they can see like what you're trying to recommend to them. In my case, I have those two things for now. So you click on create content and you click on idea list. That is what I did, and it's gonna bring you to this page. So you can title your idea list whatever you want. You see, they even gave you an example: my essentials for hiking in the desert. In my case, it was my essentials for podcasts and content creating. And then you come here where it says add products. Here you can choose to tell them whatever the idea list is going to be about. Personally, I leave it blank because it's optional, but you can put in whatever you want. So here you click on add product. So here's the cool thing: if you sign up for this program using the same email address as your personal one, like the one you used to shop on Amazon, all of your orders are gonna appear here. Everything you've ever bought off of Amazon is gonna appear here, and you can just select what you want to add, and so forth. You're not seeing my orders here because I have a different email address for my personal shopping versus my influencer pages. So I wanted to be able to access my Amazon history, but I could not. I even wrote support trying to see if there was a way I could link both email address, but unfortunately at the moment there isn't. They said I'm gonna have to either close out this account entirely and start all over using my personal one, but it's not that serious. So what I'm doing in my case is I just log into my personal Amazon on my phone or anywhere, and I just copy the link of my orders, whatever I bought in the past, and I just paste it. You see where it says browse, you just paste it here and it's gonna search everything on Amazon. And these things, these 2 items I bought from my personal account, so I was able to just copy the link and paste here, and everything popped up here, so I can just add these products. Okay, but yes, that is pretty much how you do that. And whenever you're done adding them, just click done, and see where it says submit right here. So you're just gonna click submit. It's gonna tell you that Amazon is gonna review it, this and that, but it's only gonna take like a minute. Like literally by the time you get out and refresh your page, it's gonna be approved. But so yeah, that's pretty much how you do it. And let's go back here, and yeah, you can either do this to, you can copy your link, you can share it on Facebook, you can send it to Pinterest or X, or email it to yourself or to anybody. And that's pretty much how you do it. And just a quick reminder, the influencer program is not the same thing as the Amazon associate program. They are 2 different things. The influencer program is an extension to the Amazon associate program. But if you want a complete step-by-step guide on how to set up the Amazon associate as well, just leave a comment below, and I'm gonna make a video about that, showing you how to do it. But yeah, that's pretty much how you set up your Amazon influencer page, storefront rather. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it is, please do not forget to give it a thumbs up, share it to friends so they can set up their pages and start making money. I'm pretty sure they're gonna appreciate that. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button.